There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Welcome to Dog's Paradise Resort Force-Free Boarding Kennel. Dog run for family. Huge kennels. Fun in any weather. Oversized business class kennels. Small groups in daycare. Bright and spotless. Bed from home also allowed. Modern pet hotel. Smile from guests. Treadmill exercises. Free access to dog run. Clean grass. Playground for the tiny dogs protected with top mesh against the predatory birds. Dogs and human reactive dogs welcome. Comfortable bed. Unlimited treats. Fresh air and 4 large playground. Individual feeding schedule. Individual playtime available. Variable bed sizes. Just nice looking dogs. Safe playground. Even 3 dogs feel comfortable. Individual cats kennel. Individual dog runs. Love and care from professional staff.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.